Saturday, April 25th, and when I came in here, there was a lot of welding and grinding, and I had to tell Aidan to open the back door, and I got the side door open here too because holy shit, I don't know how these guys were breathing in here. They're coughing and hacking. And a simple solution. I know, yeah, but can't kill the apprentice. Anyways, this is what these guys are doing on here today. Aidan, you want to give us a brief update? I see you got some of this is cut right here.
Yeah, I cut out the stump pan today. That's for the front.
Okay.
So I was showing you that yesterday. I had it marked out.
Yeah.
And just finishing cleaning up the frame rails on the bottom, get them ready to weld.
Okay. So underneath here then.
Yep. This
Okay.
bottom side has to be ground the whole way.
Okay.
Make sure it's flat and clean.
Okay. So there's
more patches today.
more patches where? Oh, the sides here.
The sides, we haven't put these ones on yet. We did those yesterday, but your dad decided he wanted to just do the whole top of the fender
Yeah.
in 1/8 plate instead
Okay.
of having a couple little patches.
Yeah.
So this will be rock solid.
Okay, good. Rock solid's good.
Yeah.
And what else is that's? Well, you all have only been gone for a couple hours, so that's actually kind of a full day here, right there, doing this. So
There's a small, well not small, there's a big crack that runs from here the whole way to there.
Okay.
It's hard to see in this
are you
light.
guys gonna ground that out and then?
Yeah, it's got to be
Re-welded?
gouged out and
Okay.
welded there.
I can see part of it right there.
And then I got to clean up the bottom
Yeah.
of these really good,
Yep.
because once we put that plate on, it'll be pretty much impossible to
Yep.
get at it.
100%. Yep. So yeah, this is what these guys are doing here today, and like I said, when I arrived, this place was one big smoke shop. Dad's 83. There's no saving him, but I don't need Aidan dying on us of a respiratory failure any earlier than necessary around here, and I don't want to kill the cat or the little dog.
I think if
So,
I make it to 30, it'll be
30?
pretty good.
Yeah, okay. Well, strive for longer than that. So that's what we invented PPE for, so that you don't breathe in this shit. You know, some of the guys are going, oh yeah, back in the old day, blah, blah, blah. Yeah, well, cemeteries are full of guys like that thought they knew better. Anyways, they're still cleaning up around here. I might just grab the broom here and start sweeping up, because that's what I'm good at, is the broom and the camera, and that's about it. So, but yeah, I gotta let these guys catch their breath here. It is so smoky. I don't know if you can really see it on the camera, but whew, what a haze. Walked in, almost knocked me over. But yeah, another fun day on the AA71 wide gauge. Customer, I've been sending him photos just about every single day, and he's happy, and that's how easy that comes off. Like Aidan's just using the tip of his thumb there and getting some of that stuff, and there you go. See, all of that has to come off.
Yeah, you can see the
And
different
yeah,
layers.
so you can't bond over that and repaint it and hide it. It would be back in the shop within a year, and we've seen it where people have done those Mickey Mouse paint jobs, and then we inherit the work from somebody else who wanted to hide that work off of somebody else. So yeah, there you go, guys. All that's got to come off, and Aidan's busy, and then we'll check in with these guys maybe at the end of the day, but I got to go check on the dogs right now. Well, another couple hours of cutting and grinding and welding here, and I think we're about ready for a wet. I swept up the shop. That's about all I'm good for. Charlie's howling outside. But these guys were talking about the plan for tomorrow, and still got some cleanup on the inside that we got to do, and but it's coming together. Jeez, even Dad's getting the broom out. But that's it for today, and we'll see you guys on the next video.
Pull it out this way. We're going to weld this in here.
Yeah.
because that was all cracked, eh?
Okay.
So I'll fill this full of weld and then underneath so it can't break or nothing can happen because it has to break that thick chunk of iron. Eh?
Okay. So Dad had some welding back here as well that he was working on. Couldn't poke my head in there because I'd get welder's flash, but here's another angle of what these guys were working on here today. Kitty the cat got a haircut and he's loving it just being streamlined right now. Hey, you're a fucking hammerhead, hey? Who's a pecker-headed cat? Okay, let's go check on these guys here. What's going on there, you old prick? Just life in general's hard or what? And there's our Filipino Emily. She's kind of doing part-time here and part-time at the neighbors. But last couple days I noticed she's really, really tired. Yeah, and so is Charlie, unloved. But she's on coyote duty and protection duty. So she's really walking the border of the property to make sure everything is hunky-dory. So that Charles can have a good night's sleep in his shop. Hey, old dog. Oh my God. Okay, well, Nina Pinta Santa Maria, say hi to everybody. Pecker-headed little dog of mine. Just wants to be in the doghouse with her big Charlie.